Artificial intelligence, AI, has the potential to replace humans in various sectors by automating repetitive and mundane tasks that were previously done by people. Some of the sectors where AI is already being used to replace humans or augment their abilities include manufacturing. AI is being used to automate tasks such as assembly line work and quality control, which were previously done by humans. Customer service. AI-powered chatbots are being used to handle customer inquiries and support, reducing the need for human representatives. Transportation. Self-driving cars and trucks are being developed, which could eventually replace human drivers in the transportation sector. Agriculture. AI is being used to automate tasks such as planting, harvesting, and monitoring crops, which were previously done by humans. Healthcare. AI is being used to analyze medical data, assist in diagnosis, and even perform surgeries, which could reduce the need for human doctors and nurses. Retail. AI-powered recommendation systems are being used to personalize the shopping experience for customers, reducing the need for human sales associates. It is important to note that while AI has the potential to replace certain jobs, it also creates new job opportunities in fields such as data analysis and programming.